And I'm Emily. Here's the way to use Tiger foam to insulate walls from the interior.
Prepare the space by moving all furnishings away from the wall and covering them. Tape the face of all electrical outlets with masking tape. Using a fan tip, spray a nominal 1 inch of foam at the bottom of each bay. Move from one bay to the next, applying the first layer. Continue adding layers to the wall, changing the tips on the gun every 7 to 10 minutes. After the foam has cured, scrape any foam off the face of framing members and trim any excess foam.
Always take a minute to watch the tank preparation instructional video before you spray for the first time.